Namaskar, Ashish Mittal again from Arson. Friends, on YouTube channel, we have almost 450 videos now. 450, that's a big number. And all these videos I've shown you earlier are different sets, different colors, different designs, themes, fabrics, setups. And all these are actual units that we have made in the past couple of years. And they have gone across the globe and pan India. This one is going to Haryana, Karnal, and it's a seven-seater set that I'm showing you here. It has got a big table and two side tables. The table I'll show you later. Again, in teak wood and antique gold paint, our most liked color. Seven-seater set, when we have this kind of setup is generally preferred, where we have a three-seater, a two-seater, and two single chairs. If you want to make it bigger, you can add a divan or you can go for an open back settee. Something like these can be added and the set can be increased in number of seats. The sizes, this is a standard size unit. The three-seater is 78 inches, 6.5 feet outer. The back is 51 inches, 3 inches more than 4 feet. Front to back 28 inches. For a three-seater, this is the standard size, unless we have some other designs in which we have normally 7 feet designs, 6 inches bigger. But this one with the wing design is 6.5 feet. The two-seater is 5 feet outer and rest 28 inches and 51 inches height, the same size. Out and out, it covers 5 feet area. The chairs are 36 inches left to right, front to back 28 again, and the height is 51. And the side table that you see on the side, this one is 18 inches square, and this is made for the marble. So a marble or an onyx can be placed on top. It's an open top design, and once you place the marble, it's ready to serve. Along with this, we have a big table that I'll show you later on. First, the set part. The designing and the colors, the fabrics is as per the client's requirement. So far, if I calculate, I have shown you more than 100 designs of sofa sets in actual videos. And I'm not sure any other company across the globe would have so many designs in their catalog in actual units. Why I'm pushing the word actual here is because most of the websites or the designs that you see online are catalog images. By catalog, I mean the software generated images. They are not actual stuff. How we can differentiate between actual set and a catalog image? When you see a complete setup for anything, be it a bed or a drawing room or a dining room, a living room, and when you have the entire setup with the curtains and the chandeliers, vases, and decorative items and everything, and you don't see any logo or any number, any trademark there, you can see that is a catalog image. Because anyone who is making such huge structure, who is spending so much to get all the items in one place and finally showing you that kind of setup and not showing their number or their identity or the website, that's quite obvious they don't want to sell it. They're just showing you the pictures. There are companies whose work is this only, to make catalogs. So they have softwares and they make images, drawings, designs, and show you. And from there, we also get a lot of ideas. A lot of people, number of people pick up those pictures, send us, and we convert them to reality here. Just like this set you are looking at. Again, a catalog image that is converted to reality with the artisans that we have here, all handcrafting, handwork that you see here. And the drawing, the carving, the paint work, the quilting work, the cushion work, everything is hand done. This is the artwork that we have in our city. And that's why we are specialists as well as distinctive in this field, because this type of work is not easily available everywhere. Now, this set has one more thing that is interesting. See, what happens is when we have a big living room and you want to keep something in the middle of the room that is visible from all the sides, then we recommend you to go for a double carving set. Double carving means the carving on the front as well as on the back of the unit. I've shown you several designs in double carving already. However, in most of the cases, in almost 90% of the cases, the three-seater or the two-seater generally goes towards the wall. But there are chairs that goes in the front. So something like this, something a chair or a divan, they are kept in the open. In that case is what we recommend is. So when I was talking about the double carving thing, this is the kind of work that you get on the back of the unit as well. So if your set is not going towards the wall or the chairs are in the open, then you can get back carving as well, just like on this one. So it has got front carving here and the back carving as well. Now with the back carving, it gives a distinctive look to the set. And this type of carving is not available and in any other furniture. In fully cushioned one or simple carving one, you don't get to see this kind of double carving structures. And interestingly, this double carving can be done only by hand. Machines do not work on these kind of curved structures, and once carving it is done on one side, the other side is not able, the machine is not able to recognize the other side because they need flat structure for the carving by routers. So this is done by hand. Double carving is a very nice concept as well as very liked concept when we have something like this. So if you want to mix and match a three-seater with a single carving and chairs with a double carving, or if you are keeping a two-seater in the open, we can provide you a two-seater in the double carving as well. So that can be done mixed and matched. Now for the side tables. See, one concept for the side table is that it goes to the corner. Generally, we have corners open when we have a sofa set like this. So you can put a corner table like this here that goes towards the corner wall, and you can put some vase or some designer item or some statue on the corner, and it looks very nice. Another concept for a side table is like this. You can keep a side table in between two chairs, and that serve as a coffee table also. So anybody who is sitting on this table, on this chair, can use it as a coffee table on the sides. The height can be adjusted according to your requirement if you want it for that purpose. Now the table part. Now this is the table for this set. This is 5 feet by 3.5 feet open table for the marble concept. It will have a marble on the top. Marble, glasses, granites, onyx we don't provide. That has to be procured locally because these are fragile items. So we don't provide that. So once the marble is placed on it, it's okay to work. But this is a very big size. The client wanted such big size. Generally, this is not preferred to have this size of unit or table for the sofa set because it congests the space. And again, big size table gets very heavy to move. So in cleaning or for some purpose of moving, if you want to move, that gets quite difficult to move. Now the sizes part. When you have this kind of set, how much size, how much space do you need? The sofa is 6.5 seater. This is approx 2.5 seater, both sides. So 5 feet and 6.5 feet is 11.5 feet. Here, if you see, there's a slight difference between both the legs. So total space you need for this kind of setup on this wall, you would require around 12 feet of wall this side. For this side, if you are using a concept like this, so 3 feet, this area is 2.5, 2.5, 3 and 3, 6, approx 9 feet area when you keep both the chairs together. And side table can be adjusted accordingly. This is a 5 feet area, 5 feet unit. So again 9 feet area here. So 12 by 9 or 12 by 10 feet of space would be good enough to keep this kind of set along with the table. Table goods goes in the middle. So here with this size you can plan if you want to have, if you have bigger room or a smaller room, accordingly the sizes can be adjusted. The colors, the fabrics, the design, the table size, everything is as per your choice. We can design it as per your color theme. The fabric can be changed as per your requirement. The colors, if you don't like the gold color, we can go for silver, copper, rose gold, white, off-white, or teak finish, walnut finish, dual shade, triple shade. all that I've shown in the past more than 450 videos. I've shown you a lot of designs, lot of colors. You can pick anyone from our catalog and let us know this is I like, and we can make that for you. If you have any questions, you are more than welcome to call us. There's a number in this video. You can call us, and we'd be happy to revert to you on your call. The price we provide personalized, so you can call us and we'll give you personalized price as per your requirement. I hope you like our work, and I request you for a few comment of yours. Let us know how we are doing. Would be happy if you can say something. You want us to improve or change something. Would be happy in that. Thank you so much. Request for a few comments. Thank you.